Hey, what's up everybody? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about Polygon Matic, guys. Polygon Matic holders, that is a good news video for all of you because in the right now situation the Polygon Matic is going good. I mean the last 1 hour situation, the last 1 hour changes of a Polygon Matic is positive, so that's why I recommend for you that now the changes is going good. So that's why I think now at this time if you invest in a Polygon, so that's really good and there is a profitable opportunity with all of you guys. Other side, guys, in a right now situation, just in a right now, Cardano, Dogecoin, XRP, this coin is completely going in a crash, guys. Anyways, guys, if you are new on my channel, so please first of all subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about the Polygon Matic. The current live price of Polygon is 1.25 USD dollar. That is the right now price of a Polygon. And furthermore, guys, if you talk about the price changes, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, changes occur in a Polygon Matic is completely negative. I mean the price is falls down. So guys, what should we do in the right now situation, guys? You know what I mean, the previous time you can see here from a price chart here, the price very badly decrease, but as I show you that the last 60-minute update is positive, so possibilities that now they continue this pump for a long time, but a lot of possibilities, 70% chances that the price more falls down. I mean crash occur in the Polygon Matic. So guys, don't lose hope, just hold. It is a bad time, but hold guys. If you hold, so possibilities that in the future the price will pump. Hope you like this update video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.